We spend so much of our time so focused on our own dental hygiene that it's easy to forget about the care of our pets. I have two dogs, one of which was in the picture, and I have dealt with dental disease for both of them, not to mention the countless others that I've seen at my job. Maintaining your dog's teeth not only saves you a lot of money, it can also help ensure the health of your dog. Just like with people, brushing regularly can help prevent things like bad breath, tooth decay, heart disease, and even arthritis. Once learned, the steps to keeping your dog's mouth clean are super simple and straightforward. After selecting your toothpaste and toothbrush, you're going to separate the mouth into sections and begin brushing. This simple task will save you a lot of pain and aggravation in the long run. For your first step, you're going to select your toothbrush and your toothpaste. Now, when I first started brushing my dog's teeth, I went the fanciest route I could find, short of going mechanical, and I got just a toothbrush that has dual sides. So it brushed the inside and the outside at the same time, and then this little top piece allowed it to go all the way into the back. Now, once I consulted with my dentist, I realized that I didn't need to go that fancy, and just a simple, soft bristle toothbrush was all I needed to brush their teeth the correct way. This toothbrush you can find at any dollar store or drugstore. You can get multiple in a pack for just a few dollars. Next, you have to select your toothpaste. Now, you can do tons of research online, read reviews, try them out, and figure out which one you want. But once again, I just went to my dentist, and he told me that I needed to use this CET enzymatic toothpaste. Now, this is just the sample that he gave me, but you can also find it online. On Amazon, it's about $8 or $9, and the toothpaste lasts forever because you use such a small amount each time. The toothpaste comes in several different flavors. They have beef, they have poultry, they have seafood. They also have other flavors for patients who can't have flavoring due to different GI issues. In addition to your toothbrush and toothpaste, you're going to need to make sure you're wearing the correct attire. Now, if this is the first time you're trying this, even maybe second or third time, I can almost guarantee you there's going to be a mess. And the last thing you want is going to be beef or poultry flavor all over clothes that you never wanted to get dirty. So just make sure you're wearing something that you don't mind getting a little messy, that you can just easily throw in the wash once you're done. Next, you're going to separate the mouth into sections. This will make it easier for you to gauge your progress while you're brushing. In an ideal world, you will brush your dog's teeth every day, but we all live in reality and know that with time and everything else, that's just not possible. So the next best thing is to brush them at least 3 times a week. If you can get that done, then that's the way it's going to be the most beneficial. Anything less, you're not really going to reap the benefit of actually brushing your dog's teeth regularly. Now, my dog did not actually want to participate for the video, so I got a skull from my job. It makes it easier to see the teeth anyway, and a lot easier to do the demonstration. So, when you're separating the mouth, you're just going to separate on each side, just top and bottom, and then in the front, we're going to do top and bottom. So when you're brushing, you're going to make sure that you lift up your dog's lip in the back, because that's the best way you're going to see these teeth back here. And you're going to lift it up with one hand, and then you're going to do just soft circular strokes. You're just going to go down, down, until you reach the incisors. You're going to do the same exact thing on the bottom. And then you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. And then lastly, you're going to do the front teeth and the bottom teeth. This is just the order I go in. If you'd rather do the front first and then the sides, whatever you want to do, whatever works best for you, that's what you should do. The nice part is, once you've done the outside, you're done. Your dog will do the flavor, will lick up any of the residual toothpaste that's left over, so you won't have that mess to worry about. And their tongue will actually clean the inside of the teeth, so you don't even have to worry about the inside of the teeth. Their tongue and saliva will take care of the inside, so the outside is really the only focus you have to worry about. At first, this is definitely going to seem like a long, drawn-out process. It's going to take anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes. But as you get used to it, as you guys get into a groove and you figure things out, you'll probably get it down to about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. So once you've done all that, you're done. So your last step is just to rinse the toothbrush clean and definitely place it somewhere away from your own toothbrush. The last thing you want to do is accidentally use the dog's toothbrush. Now that you know the steps to clean your dog's teeth, you can see it's a simple, straightforward process, and it's something that'll save you a lot of pain and aggravation. With some practice and repetition, you'll end up with a result like this. Nice and clean. And then by doing this short task a few times a week, not only will you keep your dogs healthy, you will also save yourself a lot of money.